Yes, good morning, student. As we have already read about the reproduction, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction uh, is dealt previously. Now the sexual reproduction. This sexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which two parents take part. One is male and other is female, or two different types of gamete, male gametes and male gametes and female gametes are formed during sexual reproduction. So, sexual reproduction is very advanced type of reproduction in respect to the asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the variation, accumulation of variation takes place which leads to the evolution. It also provides adaptation to the organism. This sexual reproduction involves two events. First, meiosis, second, fusion of male and female gametes. Therefore, sexual reproduction is characterized by the fusion and the meiosis. Without these two events, we cannot say the type of reproduction as a sexual reproduction, because in parthenogenesis there is no fusion of male and female gametes, but meiosis takes place. Male gamete and female gametes are formed during parthenogenesis, but fusion of male and female gamete doesn't take place. All the sexually reproducing organisms have two phases. First, juvenile phase or vegetative phase. Vegetative phase is growing phase before sexual maturity. Attaining the sexual maturity, up to the attaining the sexual maturity, the phase is known as juvenile phase or vegetative. And after sexual maturity, when the living beings are ready to reproduce sexually, then such phase of the sexual such phase is known as maturity phase or sexually maturity phase. This sexual maturity phase is different in different organisms. For example, in annual and biennial type of plant, this annual and biennial plant type of plant shows clear-cut vegetative phase and sexual phase. For example, marigold. In marigold, we see the clear-cut differentiation between the juvenile phase and the sexual phase. But in perennial species, it is very difficult to clearly define these phases. For example, Strobilanthes kunthiana Nila Kuranji. This plant flowers once in 12 years. This plant flowers during September, October in 2006, then 2018 in the hilly areas of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In these areas, this Strobilanthes kunthiana flowers and form a blue stress. This blue stress attracts the foreigner or tourist to see this beautiful type of valley. Now, bamboo species flower only once in their lifetime, 50 to 100 years, and then die. Mango and apple, etc., flower seasonally per year. But in animal, the juvenile phase is followed by morphologically and physiologically changes prior to active reproductive behavior. This reproductive phase is also variable duration in different organisms. जैसे for example birds wild lay eggs only seasonally. For example crow and the birds who are petted. Pet birds, for example poultry farms, lay eggs throughout the year. Non-primate mammals like cow, dog, etc. show cyclical changes during reproduction. These are known as ostrus cycle. For example, in such organism, female shows heat period. But in primates, human and monkey, in these cases, the female shows menstrual cycle, so they are called continuous breeders. Hormones and certain environmental factors regulate the reproductive processes. So, at the end of the reproductive phase starts old age. And during this old age, several physical changes occur in the body. For example, slowing of metabolism, wrinkle on the face, and less immunity and others. These are all about the sexual reproduction.